In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Kanban or table structure on your board in Chrome and use it to manage client deals in Miro. To begin, open Miro in Google Chrome and go to the board where you want to organize your client pipeline. The goal here is to build a simple visual workflow that helps you track where each client stands in your sales process. Using either a Kanban layout or a table structure makes your board much easier to scan, update, and share with your team. Once you're on the board, insert a Kanban or table structure. Choose the option that best fits how you like to work. A Kanban layout is especially useful if you want to move items from one stage to another visually, while a table can give you a more structured overview. As you place it on the board, make sure there's enough space around it so you can comfortably add and manage multiple client entries later. Next, create Miro cards to represent your clients. Each card should stand for one client or one deal. When filling out the card, include the essential business details you need to track, such as the client's contact information and the value of the deal. Keep the information clear and concise so anyone looking at the board can quickly understand the opportunity. If your team uses a consistent naming style, this is a good time to follow it so the board stays organized as it grows. After your cards are ready, place them into the appropriate columns based on their current stage. Set up your workflow using lead, contacted, proposal, and close. Then drag each client card into the column that matches where that deal currently stands. This is where the visual side of the board becomes especially helpful. As progress happens, you can simply move the card forward, making updates fast and intuitive. To make the board even more actionable, assign team members and due dates to each client card. This helps clarify ownership and keeps follow-ups from slipping through the cracks. Add the responsible person to the card, then set a due date that reflects the next important action or deadline. Keeping this information attached directly to the card makes it easier for everyone to stay aligned without needing to search elsewhere. Once everything is in place, you'll have a clean, easy-to-manage client tracking system right inside Miro. It's simple, visual, and practical for day-to-day collaboration, especially when your team needs a shared view of progress across multiple deals.